Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to lock a profile with a PIN on Amazon Prime Video. This is a great way to keep certain profiles secure, especially if you have kids or share your account with others. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you're signed in, look at the top toolbar and click on Prime Video. Alternatively, you can open Prime Video directly in your browser if you prefer, which will save you a step. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, hover your mouse over your profile icon. A menu will appear, and from there, select Manage Profiles. This section is where you can control all the individual profiles on your account, including their settings and restrictions. Next, click on Edit Profile. This will take you to the page where you can modify various aspects of each profile. You'll see all the profiles listed on this page, and you're now one step closer to locking the one you want. Hover your mouse over the profile you want to lock with a PIN. Below each profile name, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This opens up the specific settings for that profile, where you'll be able to make the security adjustments you need. Once you're inside the profile settings, look for an option labeled Profile PIN and Locks. Right beside it, you'll see a Manage button. Click on it. This is where you'll set up the PIN protection for the profile, ensuring that only those with the correct code can access it. Now you'll be prompted to enter a 5-digit PIN. Choose something memorable but secure, something that only you or the intended user will know. After you've entered your chosen PIN, click Submit. This finalizes the process and activates the PIN lock on the profile. From now on, anyone trying to access this profile will need to enter the PIN you just created. And there you have it. You've successfully locked a profile with a PIN on Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.